Tánaiste and much of the country is inundated with floodwater at the moment. Now, you can't control the weather, but you can control the delivery of flood defences and the forecasting systems that can protect people in this country. And in those two areas, your government has been a disaster. Now, 2 years ago, I asked the Minister for Public Expenditure the timeframes for the delivery of flood defence schemes in the country. He did not give an answer. Government ministers are allergic to measurables in case they can be held to account. The minister told me that there were 46 schemes at design stages at that particular time. So just let's look at a couple of those. Middleton, 2023 Storm Babet, 600 homes and 300 businesses flooded. The damage was estimated at 200 million. Incredible. People came to a hair's breadth of losing their lives in Middleton. Now, the damage was unprecedented, but it wasn't unforeseen because Storm Frank had devastated the exact same area in 2015. In 2015, flood defences were promised with a completion date of 2020. Today, the planning application for those flood defences has still not even been submitted into Cork County Council. An incredible situation. Now, when it rains in Middleton, an elderly gentleman often stays awake at night to watch the height of the river in order to be able to warn families of impending danger. 11 years after Storm Frank, Middleton is dependent on a human water gauge for the protection of lives under your government. Enniscorthy, waiting for 25 years for protection. 2014, 55 million euros was allocated to flood relief schemes in Enniscorthy. This week, Enniscorthy is a lake. There have been 12 floods in 25 years, and planning permission for these flood defences has still not been granted. Practically in every single piece of infrastructure development in this country is grinding to a halt. Housing is in reverse. It'll take 2050 before Uisce Éireann have their gaps in the infrastructure filled. The grid can't take the renewable energy that's created at the moment. Commuters are sitting in motorways that look like car parks, and tens of thousands of families currently are at risk due to flooding because those defences are not in place. Why? Because your government has the slowest planning, licensing, permitting, tendering and judicial reviews in the whole of the European Union.